80 Plus is a popular certification program to measure how efficient a PSU is at converting AC voltage to DC. What the 80 Plus really means is that the PSU in question is at least 80% efficient under different rated loads. The list contains 80 Plus white, bronze, silver, gold, platinum, and titanium. 80 Plus silver is hardly ever used today, as manufacturers will either go for bronze or gold. All tiers of the 80 Plus rating, save for titanium, are only required to be tested at rated loads of 20, 50, and 100%. Keep in mind that efficiency varies greatly depending on load. For example, PSUs are more efficient between 50 and 75% load. So when buying a PSU, don't buy one that's going to be stuck at 100% all the time. On the flip side, it's also bad to run a really high wattage PSU with a low wattage system. So let's put this into practical terms. Say you have a 650 watt 80 plus bronze PSU under 100% load. This means it has to provide 650 watts. Now, we've already established that a PSU won't convert 100% of the energy drawn into usable energy. So, using clear results numbers to do some quick math, we know that the unit will actually be drawing around 793 watts to provide the 650 needed by the system. Now, replace that with a 650 watt 80 plus platinum PSU, which will draw only about 730 watts to meet the power requirements. Again, like I mentioned before, try to buy a PSU that will run between 50 and 75% load for your system. Final note, beware of false advertising. There is no legitimate thing called 90 plus. Although, as an aside, 80 plus titanium is pretty much set in specs to be called 90 plus. All that being said, even if you have a PSU that you're looking at that is legit 80 plus, check third-party reviews anyway just to see that you're getting the best for your money. Keep in mind that the 80 plus certification is just one way of figuring out a PSU's proficiency, and there are other things like overcurrent, undervoltage, overtemperature, and short circuit protection that play a role as well. Anyway, like this video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't, and comment on any ideas for future videos.